Have you have you all seen the new movie that's on Disney Plus called Turning Red? Me, Gracie, my mom, and dad watched it yesterday, and it was such a cute movie. I loved it so much. I still think Gracie's favorite is Encanto. She is obsessed with Encanto. She has dolls of it. She did a Encanto virtual dance class. She is Encanto obsessed. She's always like singing the songs and watching the movie. I think that is her favorite. But she did like Turning Red too. When I have winged eyeliner on and long nails, I feel like such like it's like I could take on the world and do anything. Like, yes, ma'am. I don't know. Something about having long nails and winged eyeliner. I don't know. I don't know. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Dirty, moody, acting stupid, not happening. What was happening? Savage. See, bougie, ratchet, moody, nasty, stupid. What's happening? What was happening? On episode 5 of season 2 of Euphoria, Rue stresses me out so much. Oh my gosh.